What is up? SRT is back at it with another video. As you can see, I have some more content coming in. Glad I can come back. Been having some trouble lately, with with my job and shit, but other than that, God is good. We're here at it again. And today, well, I'm gonna be explaining to you what I'm gonna be doing today. So as you guys can see, this is my 2006 Chrysler srt8 300. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, guys. You're not gonna want to miss the content I'm gonna be doing. Not also that, but I will be doing a giveaway at my 100 subscribers. So if you want, run them likes up, run them subscribers up, and a lucky winner will be chosen. Now back to the point. As you can see, I'm clearly working on my Hemi motor. This is currently a 6.1 liter. Been having issues with it. Even when I bought it, car sounded kind of cammed. It would sound a little choppy at idle. I thought it was my injectors. I cleaned all the injectors, put injector cleaners, still nothing. Coils are nearly new. Spark plugs are new for that, but the heat range of the Champions are colder than the Iridium, so I decided to get the other ones. Now, as you can see, I have my intake manifold currently off. Reason being is because I was having multiple misfires, and all my coils were pretty much saying that I had a cylinder misfire. It didn't tell me which cylinder, it just told me multiple, meaning there was air coming in, and I knew I had a vacuum leak, but I did a smoke test and I could not find anything. So as you can see, this one's shot, one, right? That's one. This one's gone, this one's gone, and then this one's gone. So if you're having misfires with your Chrysler or Hemi or whatever you have, check for vacuum leaks, because this right here is pretty much the probable cause. Now I don't know if I'm gonna change this one out on the bottom because it doesn't look like it's leaking or anything, but I might as well, because I mean it comes with it in the packaging. But you can see I have it all right here. I have brake clean to clean everything off. I'm gonna clean my manifold off too because it's dirty, but you can see the big gasket right here on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and replace that one as well, just for the time being. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to put it back, and we're gonna get ready to go. Alrighty. Fuck, I broke my PCV valve. Motherfucker, I broke my PCV now. Damn it. Fucker. Sorry. Alright, SRT fam, you can see, clean up the manifold, looks way cleaner than what it did. It's still a little dirty, but that'll come right off. Currently have all the gaskets on, everything's good, sealed. What set me back was I broke the fucking PCV valve. With it's all right because I have warranty. I'll just go warranty that out. But other than that, I don't know what the hell this little hole is for. I don't know if I did it wrong or not. But I'll see right now, see what the hell's wrong with it. SRT fam, currently nighttime. I had finished it earlier, I just didn't have enough time to record it, but other than that, car is running phenomenal. You can see I cleaned the intake manifold. This shit was super dirty. I cleaned it up a little bit, made it look a little bit more presentable now for that, but got the new gaskets in and she's current, man. This thing is fucking running awesome. If you guys are having a P0300 and pretty much your last resort would be that, your intake manifold gaskets. That means when I bought the car, that means the car had always been doing that. So that's gonna be another thing. So you want to check that. I mean, only reason I knew it was that, guys, because my injectors are new, my coils were new, my spark plugs are new, my PCV valve was new, my map sensor was new, my O2 sensors are new. Everything is new on this car, I'm telling you. It's just, since, you know, I guess the previous owner or whatever, I guess he had a mechanic do a water pump, and they took off the whole manifold, I guess, and they put the original gaskets back, and they didn't realize that two of the gaskets fell off. And so that's why the car was kind of misfiring. But as you can see, I got my K&N, I got my catch can, which is awesome. PR, big shout out to them. And then other than that, I mean, car's running phenomenal. Car runs awesome. Look, cheer yourself. Currently, I'm right now, my exhaust setup is just a straight pipe. So if you're wondering why it sounds so good or if it sounds kind of shitty, I don't know. In my opinion, it sounds pretty good. It's because it's straight pipe. It has just X pipe, so it's pretty much a catback. But other than that, I mean, next is gonna be my rotors and my power steering pump, because my power steering pump is kind of leaky. You can kind of see it's wet with oil. That's gonna be my next one. And other than that, this car's coming along really good. I'm just glad I got to fix that shit before it got any worse, you know, because you don't want to leave a car with P0300, and I wouldn't trust it that like that either. But the car's running really smoothly. And if you guys enjoy my content, guys, sorry for not posting, like I said again, but I'm gonna be posting more videos as time comes, and I hope you guys enjoy and have a blessed day, guys. Thank you.